This video is part of a new series by EAUC Scotland called Sector Briefings, where we explain and define concepts used within the sector. Our first video is on the commonly asked question of what are the reporting scopes. There are three reporting scopes called Scope 1, Scope 2 and 3. Each scope covers a specific group of emissions. The scopes are defined by the greenhouse gas protocols. Scope 1 is defined as direct emissions from owned and controlled sources. This includes fuel use from owned vehicles, fuel used in the heating of owned and controlled buildings, fugitive emissions, which are leaks or unintended gas release, livestock emissions, and land use emissions, although these are less common in the FHE sector. Scope 2 emissions are indirect emissions from the generation of purchased energy. This will include purchased electricity and purchased heat and steam. Scope 3 emissions are all indirect emissions which are not included in Scope 2. This will include transmission and distribution of energy, waste and recycling, water supply and treatment, business travel, including overnight stays, international student travel, leased vehicles and buildings, commuting for both staff and students, procurement of goods, and investments. Scope 3 is commonly the largest scope of all, and it's not unusual for it to be the largest source of emissions. When you are reporting your emissions, you should include all Scope 1 and all Scope 2 emissions, and relevant Scope 3 emissions. To find out what Scope 3 emissions are relevant for your institution, and for more information on all the scopes, please see our attached briefing guide. We hope this video was useful. Next month we'll be looking at the concept of carbon offsetting.